Well, hello on this Tuesday, a nice quiet day, a quiet break. A lot of storm reports yesterday across Minnesota with 2 rounds of severe weather, a lot of hail with the first round. The second round had hail, but also a few tornado reports around Gilman in Benton County, and then a couple of tornado reports in Pepin and Dunn counties in Wisconsin, and a few reports of some wind damage too. So that's out of the way. We've got high pressure that is settling in for today, giving us the pretty pleasant day. Lower humidity, lower dew points Tuesday, slightly cooler, but still above normal, and also giving us a fair amount of sunshine. We do have a little bit of mid-level cloud cover that is continuing to break up, should be continuously brighter through the afternoon. Highs mostly in the 70s here in central and southern Minnesota. Some pockets of 60s to the northwest. Not as much of a lake breeze today either around Lake Superior because winds will be more of the west. And a reminder, no matter what the temperature, this time of year the sun is as strong as the end of July. Pretty high UV indices the next few days, especially on Thursday, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all 7 or 8. So things can burn quickly. I saw a lot of red necks and arms here over the weekend. So here comes the humidity already again tomorrow. We got dew points in the 60s, low 70s moving in for tomorrow and Thursday. It's going to be steamy. And of course, that combo of humidity and heat, along with any disturbances in the atmosphere, will produce some storms. So this is convective available potential energy, that thunderstorm energy migrating north out of Iowa tomorrow. So we're going to have a setup for at least the southern half of the state into South Dakota. Plenty of juice here for storms late tomorrow and also late Thursday. But these do look to be pretty late events and even maybe overnight events, late Wednesday night, and then late Thursday night. Slight risk of severe weather already posted for tomorrow includes the Twin Cities, St. Cloud, and then into the eastern Dakotas. And then Thursday, an enhanced risk, so even a higher risk of severe weather across much of central western Minnesota into the eastern Dakotas for more storms that could develop. So we got a couple more rounds of severe weather, 3, or that would be 4 actually this week potentially. A little unusual, but so is the humidity and heat this early in May too. Of course, we have the jet stream tracking to the north and west of us, and this is an ideal setup for this kind of stormy pattern where we're on the warm side of things, but you want that track that the systems follow nearby that creates the disturbances to create some of that instability and thunderstorms. So you get the hot, humid weather with a heat dome that's building just to our south and southwest, but then little ripples here that move along the edge of that heat dome and follow the jet stream. And when anything develops around one of those ripples, they propagate eastward. That's what we saw twice yesterday. We're going to see it again late tomorrow and again late Thursday. So here comes the next one tomorrow. Little ripple in the middle of the atmosphere. This is looking up right in the middle part of the atmosphere, a couple miles up, and another ripple coming through on Thursday that will help to generate the energy or that little bit of a lift to take advantage of the heat and humidity that's going to be sitting around the next couple of days. So unsettled yet. Looks like storms pop starting late tomorrow afternoon in eastern South Dakota, and then they will move east late in the night, maybe not till midnight, 1 a.m. in the Twin Cities, but this could be a bit of a bow echo scenario where we have some high wind and hail, so we'll have to watch for that, and then some storms continue to rumble in the early morning hours in northern Minnesota. Then Thursday, we're going to look at a different model first here that shows similar setup, storms developing to the west and then moving through, but I wanted to show you this particular rapid update short range model because it is hinting at those high wind gusts here. What you see in yellow, red, brown, these are those high severe wind gusts that could be moving through starting somewhere maybe eastern South Dakota, western Iowa, and then moving across Minnesota late into the night. So this could be a scenario where you might go to bed tomorrow night, but there could be some severe weather still happening up till midnight, 1 a.m. or so. And then the Thursday round of storms. This is the European model looking at lightning. You can see storms develop again to the west, Oklahoma, South Dakota, and then moving in late in the evening. Here's 10, 11 o'clock, midnight. In this particular model, kind of falling apart by the time they reach midnight, but they could hold together, especially if you get these bow echoes that kind of self-sustain themselves for a while. So that's what we're looking at the next couple of days. Beautiful though today, dry, 77. Starting to get steamy tomorrow. You'll notice that humidity increasing through the day. Not particularly hot just yet, 80s, but then near 90 Thursday, that'll be a record, or we would at least tie the record on Thursday. Cooler, but again, still above normal. Friday and the weekend is actually looking pretty good. There is a chance of a couple of isolated showers, but at this point, I'm going to leave it dry Saturday, Sunday. And again, the normal high upper 60s to around 70. It looks like we'll be just above that.